Demon, as all of our other builds, we like to use the best parts. We use Kooks on all of our builds. They've been building headers since the 60s. They know what they're doing when it comes to that stuff. They make a really good product. Fit and finish is usually perfect. So they were nice enough to send us their long tube headers along with green cats and their full exhaust system for the Demon. So this thing's gonna sound insane when it's done. But to do that, we gotta get the old exhaust and headers out. So we're gonna do that right now, and then we'll get these in.
Why do you go with Kooks over everyone else?
Kooks?
Yep.
Look, with the fitment and the finish, it's just, I mean, come on now. Real, like, hard work R&D. When these products come, they just go right where they're supposed to go. OEM replacement, nothing more.
Took the original headers out, we found a couple concerns with some heat stuff, and so to just be extra safe, always err on the side of caution, we called our friends at Heat Shield to come down and come up with some solutions to protect the brake line and where the brake and fuel lines go back. So Chris is going to run down what they just put in for us.
Yeah, so on the brake lines, it just needed a sleeve. We went with our new Stealth sleeve. It should be on the market here very soon. It's just going to cover that brake line and radiate the heat back. We also threw in a little extra on there through our sticky shield on the aftermarket, or it's an aftermarket piece on there, the original heat shield. It's just going to radiate more heat away from those important components, which in this case was brake and fuel. So yeah, we're good to go here.
All right, well, you guys can check it out, and we're going to get the headers in. Kooks with their exhaust has stage 8 fasteners, and they're pretty cool. So the bolts actually have a groove in them here, and you put a locking retainer on it, like so. So pretty cool technology from Kooks. Best exhaust in the game.
First start, Kooks exhaust, full long tube headers, full exhaust on the Dodge Demon. Let's hear how it sounds.
Sounds deep.
Sounds good.
Sounds mean.
Right there. It's got just enough chop.
Yeah. Not like Weston's. Weston's was super loud. I mean, it's bah, 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 bah. This is like not gonna fully piss the neighbors off, and it sounds really good.
Perfect.
Thank you, Kooks, for sending us such a great system. Whoever wins this car is gonna love it. It sounds amazing.
Yep.